Hey guys, this is another video tutorial of Windows system programming. In this tutorial we'll see how to create mutex in Windows. So here are the some basic point about the mutex. Mutex is a locking mechanism. Second one is the mutex has only one state, either locked or unlocked. Third point is that mutex has mutual ownership, means those who acquire the lock only can release the lock. If mutex is locked more than once in non-recursive function, then deadlock will occur. Mutex is only used for thread synchronization. In Windows, there are two types: named mutex and unnamed mutex. A mutex has name, it becomes named mutex, otherwise unnamed mutex. So here are the some APIs I'll use in this program. One is the CreateMutex function. Creates or open a named or unnamed mutex object. So here are the some syntax of that function. The return type of that function is handle type, and it takes three arguments. First one is the security attribute for the mutex, second one is initial ownership, and third one is the name. Here if you provide the name, then it becomes named mutex, otherwise if you keep it here null, then it becomes unnamed mutex. If you see here security attribute, so we keep it here null. Initial ownership, I don't want to inherit, and third one is the name. Name is the maximum path, means 32 characters, somewhat kind of that. The return value, if you see, the return value, if the function succeed, the return value is handled to a newly created mutex object, otherwise null, and we can print the error number with the help of getLastError function. And don't forget to read the mutex remark. Second function is release mutex. This function mainly used for the if we are using more than one thread, means if you are using 2 or 3 thread, then then we'll use that function. Third one is the open mutex function. I'll use that function in my program. So open mutex means open existing name mutex object. It cannot open the unnamed mutex. So same syntax, return type is handle, and here the access mode. So access mode by default is mutex all access, we have to write here. And second one is the inherit handle, and third one is the name, similar to our create mutex function, and same return value here if you see here. So read, don't forget to read the remark section. So let's say start our coding first. So I'll delete each and everything from here. So I'll use one handle function for that, handle hmutex, and hmutex I'll use the create mutex function here. First argument is security attribute, so I'll keep it here null. Second is initial ownership, so this is the boolean type, so I'll use here false. And name, so here I'll keep it here first null, so it becomes unnamed mutex. This is the example of unnamed mutex. Now check the error condition for that. If hmutex null, then we have to print here getLastError function if anything goes wrong. Indel create mutex failed, and error number we can print. If the function succeed, oops, control V here, and success, that's it. And one function I'll use here close handle, because the return type is handle, so we have to pass here mutex object here. So now it's done. So let's build. See, build succeeded. Just to run our code once. See the create mutex success. This is the basic program of unnamed mutex. Now how to create the named mutex? So I'll use here cout function. Mutex. See the mutex 1. Okay, and here we have to provide the name. So I'll use here L. You know very well why I am using L. So my mutex, this is the name, so it becomes named mutex. Rest of the things are similar, and here I have already made a second program of open mutex function. So same thing here, my mutex name. Each and everything is same because open mutex. So if you see the open mutex, here the desired access, so only the synchronized access write is required, and specify the mutex all access we have to write. So I wrote here mutex all access, and here I have to write the false condition, and name of mutex is my mutex, and each and everything is same. So closing the handle function, I'll use here one thing, get char function for holding our screen. So you will see. So first build this code once. And then okay, it's already built, so no need to worry about that. Run this code. Create mutex 1, create mutex function success, and I am running the second program. Yes. So it's building. So build succeeded, open mutex function. So okay, let's, so get char, so I'll press it, enter. Now go here, see, so there is something error. So what I have to do here, in this function I have to first close it, this handle. Okay, and debug once. So now the create mutex success, and go to that function in this program and run once. So open mutex, and here the create mutex function. So this one, come to that window, see the mutex open success. So this was the basic program of how to create mutex. First we have created the name unnamed mutex, then second we have created the name mutex, and we have opened the mutex with the help of open mutex function. Release mutex function will use later point of time when we synchronize the thread. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Do hit, comment, share and subscribe this channel.